Check it out, guys. We are in Playa Buye, Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico, one of my favorite beaches in Puerto Rico. We came to the side. After the entrance, you have to walk like 10 minutes to get to this portion of the beach, but for me it's the most relaxing. Not many people know. If you keep going, you get better clarity in the water, and it looks phenomenal. My wife is there enjoying her time, and you guys got to check it out. Right now we are in Yauco, Puerto Rico, and we are going to eat in one of the best places to have breakfast in Yauco, and that is called Dolche Salao. Dolche Salao. So it's a great breakfast spot here in southern Puerto Rico, and I think that everyone is going to enjoy what you guys are going to see from here. So we're going to order a nice breakfast, and we are going to basically enjoy having this breakfast and kind of like brunch spot. So let's check it out. So you can sit outside or inside. We chose outside, of course. Looks really nice. This is a cafeteria, that's how it comes. Looks beautiful. How is it?
Oh, wow.
So the coffee's great. I ordered a waffle club, which will bring waffles, sunny side up eggs, lettuce, tomato. It's all together, so we're gonna see how that is. All right, check that out, guys. So it has waffles, it has bacon, it has ham, it has cheese, obviously the egg on the top. Looks delicious. Let's take a bite. Let's take a bite. All this. This is phenomenal. Really good. It's sweet and salty at the same time. It's phenomenal. All right, so how did you like it, honey?
Oh, it was so good. So good. The shrimp was exquisite.
I absolutely loved it. I mean, it's my second time there. I think it's my first time documenting it. And yeah, it was awesome. I definitely wanted to bring my wife here so she can try it. And I recommend it. So if you're in the southern area of Puerto Rico, Ponce, Yauco, or simply if you're in San Juan and you want to explore the south, definitely come here for breakfast. It's worth it. Is it pricey? I mean, I would consider it like $25 a plate or so. So it could be a little pricey for breakfast, but it's worth it. And the flavors, everything, the treatment, the service,
They give you a lot of
it's
food
wonderful.
for what you're paying for. A lot of food. I couldn't even finish my whole plate.
Yeah, so check it out, guys.